Hello and welcome to this Essential Math Skills for Science, and in this one we're looking at drawing tables. Hi, my name's Graham Bray and I'm from www.sciencevideocourses.com. Now in this one we're looking at tables. You've done all the hard work, you've done the experiment, you've got the data, so now we look at the formation of tables, which are essential for putting that great data you collected into some sort of order. Let's start looking first of all at your raw data. Now in this experiment we've measured the time taken for a piece of magnesium to dissolve in acid at 4 different temperatures. And if you're anything like me, you're doing an experiment, you're very excited doing an experiment, and perhaps you don't write stuff down as neatly as you should. So what I've got here, this is my just what I call raw data. Four temperatures, 0, 10, 20, 30. These are the times taken for the magnesium to dissolve, and I did it 3 times. So here are my results. So let's see how we can now think about the table we're going to need. Well, 4 temperatures were used, so we're going to need rows for each temperature, and also we're going to need 2 for the headings. You'll see that in just a second. And the experiment was repeated 3 times, so we're going to need 4 columns. Again, you'll see why in a second, and 1 for the mean. Let's look now at the outline table. Right, notice the headings. So a heading here, okay, and then we've got 3 other columns and 1 for the mean, and then we've got an overall heading here, and then broken down here, then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the data. Look, key point, use a pencil to draw your table. There's nothing worse than coming to mark a bit of coursework or an exam script and the student has used ink and it's smudged and they had to cross bits out. Use a pencil. You can always rub it out, can't you, if you get it wrong. And a ruler. We don't want wonky lines, we want nice straight lines. You spend a lot of time getting the data, present it nice and neatly. Okay. Notice how we put the units in the headings. This saves having to repeat them in the table. So seconds here for time taken, degrees Celsius here for temperature. We do not have to put those units anywhere else now in the table once they've been in the headings. Okay, so headings also clearly explain what the data is. The temperature, time taken for magnesium to dissolve, very clear, and we can now start putting in our data as we have done here for the first set. Okay, we did it 3 times, and here's repeats going across. First repeat, second repeat, third repeat. We're now in a position where we can calculate our mean. So I've done the maths, and we've calculated our mean. 90, 67, 44, 27. Now notice that when calculating the mean, use the same number of significant figures as there was in the rest of the table. So 92, 2 significant figures, 74 and so on. So mean 90, 2 significant figures. 67, 2 significant figures. This may have been, when you calculate the mean, 66.8523. You cannot claim that level of accuracy based on what's in the table. So stick to the same number of significant figures as used in the rest of the table, and you'll find you've got a nice neat table displaying data very clearly. Okay, and that's all there is to drawing a table. Now it's your turn. Here's another set of results for an experiment investigating how the mass of a parachute affects the time taken for the parachute to fall to the ground. Your task now is to present this data in your own table. So we've got mass of parachute, 21 grams, 28 grams, 37 grams, 44 grams, and the times taken for the parachute to fall. Now notice how the time taken is given to 1 decimal place with a fairly accurate stopwatch, so 4.9, 4.0, 3.2, 2.6. So when you calculate your mean result, make sure you give the result the same level of accuracy, i.e. to 1 decimal place. Okay? Right, that's it. You are now a world expert at drawing tables. Have a go at the example I've just given you, and hopefully you'll find it nice and easy. So I'm Graham Bray. Thanks for watching and listening to my video, and I'll be back with another one very soon. So bye bye for now.